Hello friends, welcome to my channel class 6 math subject chapter 2 whole number. I have explained you about that what is the predecessor, successor and whole number and the natural number difference. Okay. And again the next video I have explained the number line in addition, subtractions, multiplications. Okay, how to find in the addition, subtraction, multiplication with the help of the number line. Now I am going to explain you the properties of the whole number. The properties of the whole number we have four types. Four property. First is closure property, commutative property, associative property and distributive property. So one by one I will explain you with the example and formula. Just we have to understand the formula only. Okay, we have to learn the formula of these properties and we will get and we can find the which properties are there. Okay. So friends, be ready with your book and pen. So just I am starting with the properties of the whole number. First one, closure properties. Okay, what is the closure property means? Just say for the formula, I will just explain in short only. A plus B is equal to C. Similarly, in multiplication also A into B is equal to C. Okay, for the example, if I take 2 plus 4 is equal to 6 and 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Okay, that way. And here, if I will do in the subtractions, it won't get. Means 6 minus 2, that will come 4. Okay, 6 minus 2, that will come 4. Whole number. Okay, if I do 8 minus 9, so it comes minus 1. So in subtraction, only the whole number comes when there is no negative number, only the positive number. So okay, in the sometimes in subtractions the negative numbers also come. So it is not a whole number. So it is not a whole number. Is not a whole number. Okay, because here negative sign is there, minus sign is there. So, got it? What is the closure property? Now I will explain you the commutative property. What do you mean by the commutative property? Second one is commutative property. Okay, second one. What do you mean by that? Can do any order in additions and multiplications. Okay. Suppose with the example A plus B is equal to B plus A. Okay. Just we have to remind this formula only. If example, I will say 6 plus 3 is equal to and B is 3. Okay. Here A is equal to 6, B is equal to 3. So 6 plus 3 and 3 plus 6. What will come? 6 plus 3 here 9. Even also 3 plus 6 we will write 9. In any order if we write, the numbers comes equal only. Okay, if A plus B or B plus A, whatever the digit we write, the same number will come. Okay, it is in additions. If we do the multiplication also, A into B is equal to B into A. If with the example, A is 6 and B is 3. Here say B 3 into 6. 6 3 is 18, 3 6 is 18. It comes the same only. Okay, that is a commutative property. Now what is the next one? Third one it is associative property. Third one it is associative property. Okay, what we mean, how we will get that? It is a associative property. For the example, A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Okay, here either I take A plus B here, A plus B in the bracket plus, after bracket plus C. So here what I will do, B plus C I will take in bracket. Okay, whatever form, if either I will take B plus C, so here A plus B. Anyway, if we will do, the additions will come the same. For the example, here same A is, I have told you that A is our 6. B is 3. Okay. So A, what is there? 6 plus 3 plus C. C I have written 2. Okay. Okay. So 6 plus 3, what is that? 9. 9 plus 2, 11. The same way here, A is 6 plus 3 plus 2. So 6 plus 3 in bracket, 3 plus 2 is 5. So 6 plus 5 is 11. Got it? The same thing we had done in the addition also. Now we will do for the multiplication. The same way. Okay. A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. Either we'll take A into B in bracket or B into C. Wherever we take, whatever the number we digit we take in the bracket, the same number will come in the equal form also. If suppose here 6. 6 into 3 into 2. 6 into 3 into 2. So this will be the bracket. Here this is 6 3 is 18. 18 into 2, that is 36. The same way 6 here. 3 2 is 6. 6 6 is 36. The answer comes 36 equal to 36. That is the associative property. Okay. Commutative property, first closure property, what was that? A plus B is equal to C. A into B is equal to C. Commutative में A plus B is equal to B plus A. Okay. Or A into multiplication, A into B is equal to B into A. In associative, A plus B in bracket plus C is equal to A plus B plus C is in bracket. A into B in bracket is equal to C. A into bracket B into C. Okay, got it? Thus we have to remind this formula only. ये formula खाली आप लोगों को याद रखना है. Then we'll come to know what is the property, which properties we are doing in the multiplication or addition. Okay. Now here the last part of the introductions is going to distributive property. Okay, property of the whole number. Last property is the distributive property. Which one is distributive property? It's very easy here also. Very simple formula is there. Just easily we can understand. Okay. Now here distributive property. A into B into C. So you have typed in A bracket. Okay. Now what is there here? In this how we'll get the sums I will explain you. See A into B into C. Okay. First we will multiply A with B. Then we will multiply A into C. Okay. That means AB plus BCA. Okay. Or AC. Okay. This way the formula comes. So for the example it is there. A is 4. B is 2. C is 3. Okay, with this example I will say, see 4 into, what is that? 2 into 3. So what we will do, first we will multiply 4 into 2, then we will go 4 into 3. So 4 into 2 plus 4 into 3, that is 8 plus 12 is equal to 20. Got this distributive answers? Okay, very easily I had explained it with the simple number. If the bigger number is there, we have to multiply. Suppose for the example 3 to 8 or 3 to 8 into 100, then 1. Okay, 101 is there. So how you will do the multiplication in this? In distributive form. So what I will do, 3 into 8 is into 101 is there. Bracket 100 plus 1. Okay. First 3 to 8 into 100. Then 3 to 8 into 1. So 3 to 8 into 100 plus 3 to 8 into 1. So 3 to 8 00 plus 3 to 8. So we will add now to 8 0 8. 0 plus 2 2. 8 plus 3 11. 2 plus 1 3 3. I got an answer. So easy way we have done this distributive with the bigger number. Okay, got it? You understands the what is a whole number. Whole chapter that I explained the introductions with the full explanation in 3 videos. If you like my video, click the like button, comment, share, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Now the next video we will go for the chapter 6 exercise. Okay, textual exercise we will do first. Okay, thank you everyone. Have a nice day.